Hello friends, this is the continuation of our parenting vlog which we have started. So in this vlog we are going to show you three different kind of pampers which is like a must have for a baby or a newborn baby from the day one. So which pampers to choose, we need to be very careful because sometimes it creates rash on the baby's body, so we should take the best pamper for our baby. So we went through couple of pampers and finally we decided to go for the best one. So I'll show you one by one which one is the best. So without wasting more time, let's get started. So here I have three different kind of pampers because I was not having experience much, so I purchased three different kind of pampers and later we find out which is most suitable for the baby. So I'll come one by one. So the first one is, so guys, this is Pampers Happy Skin Pants. This is the one which I purchased at the beginning, and as you can see it is for new baby and you have size like S, M and L. So based on your baby's weight, 4 to 8 kg is small size, 7 to 12 kg is medium size and 9 to 14 kg is L size. So as it's for newborn baby, you should go for the S size only, and this is a cheaper one. You need to pay only 9 rupees per pamper. So I will show you one pamper from here. This is one pamper. So it's mentioned as NB, meaning newborn. This is the front. As you can see, it's mentioned NB for newborn, and it's mentioned also it's the front, and this one is the back. And this is how the pamper is. Then to put the baby's leg through these two holes. Okay. So this is the first kind of pamper. This is a cheaper one. Okay. And I'll show you the next one which I have. Guys, this pamper pant is having lotion with aloe vera added to this. So this is one feature of this pamper pant. Guys, this is the next one. This is Pampers Premium Care Pants. Okay, this is a premium care pants pamper. It is having 4 pants inside and it's for newborn baby only up to 5 kg weight. Okay, this is also having lotion with aloe vera and it is like cotton, so you will have cotton like softness. So you can see this cotton like softness and lotion with aloe vera. So this pamper pants is having 4 pants. So friends, now I am going to show you one sample of this Pampers Premium Care pant. So let me take one pant out. So this is a pant. It's more softer than the previous one. So it's more soft than the Happy Pants. So also one extra thing here is you can see one yellow line here. So this is for the newborn and it's for the front. This is the front and this is the back. And the extra change you can see here, it's having a yellow line here. You can see one yellow line here. Okay. So once it is wet, meaning after baby has done urination, so this yellow line will get changed to blue. So it's indicated that it is now used, baby has done urine, so you need to remove it, you need to change it. So it's a very easy one to change it, and it's comparatively more soft, more stretchable than the Happy Skin Pants of Pampers. It's better. I think I would say it is better than the Pampers Happy Skin Pants. It's more soft, it's more stretchable, the cotton quantity is better, quality is better, and you're having this indicator also. So this was number 2, and then I'll go to the final one. Which one is the best one? I'm going to show you the best one now. So guys, this one is the best one, the best Pampers I found in the market. So this is for Pampers New Baby 5 star skin comfort. 5 star skin comfort. The best one. You can also see they have mentioned it as best Pampers. You can see this is mentioned as best Pampers. This particular pack contains 72 Pampers. This is for newborn baby up to 5 kg weight. So it's having 72 Pampers. Okay. So these Pampers are very good quality, the best quality, premium quality, very user friendly, very comfortable for the baby, right? And here they have provided the guidelines or the how to use it. If you can see here, how to use it, how to put the Pampers. You can just follow this instruction. It's very easy to do. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 they have shown, right? And it is having total 72 Pampers inside, and it is more costly actually. Its cost is 1099 rupees, as you can see here. I'll show you. Here it is mentioned 1099 rupees, almost 1100 rupees for 72 Pampers. So it's more costly. I got the bigger size one because it will be little bit cost effective rather than going for a smaller size, smaller quantity. So try to get the maximum quantity. It will be easy and it will be less costly also. So I'll show you one sample from it. Right? Let me take one sample. So basically, so guys, this is the font size and this is the back side. Here also you have this yellow line indicator. You can see yellow line indicator, and it is not having any holes as such. You can see you just need to put your baby like here. You need to put his or her. So guys, here you don't have any hole as such. Here inside this part you need to put baby's bum, and here you can see you are having something like this which you can tie here. Okay, you need to attach it here so that it will get attached. The same is for both the sides. Okay, here also you have this, you need to attach it here like this. So here, from here, baby's leg will be coming from here, from this hole. So you need to create that hole. It won't be created by default. Okay. So this is the Pamper, which is the premium quality, the best one. Right. I will show you more features of it. Okay. So guys, this is having up to 12 hours of absorption. So for 12 hours, for whole night sleep, it is very good. So we have used this, so baby is sleeping safe for around 11 p.m. till morning. It will be good, and baby won't wake up at all. Baby won't feel any discomfort because we have seen it on our baby. So that's why I am giving you guarantee on this. And it's soft like cotton. It's very soft. It's the best one out of these 3 Pamper pants. It's the best one. See, it's having extra dry layer. It's an extra dry layer, so it will be more dry compared to the other ones. And this is having baby lotion also, right, which is an extra benefit. And it is more stretchable, so it is soft stretch waist and sides. So the waist and the sides are more stretchable, more soft than the other pants. So this one is the best, guys. This one is the best one according to our opinion, and I would prefer this, and mostly it doesn't create any rash and all on your baby's skin. So I would go for this one. So as you can see, I purchased the maximum one, the bigger size one, so that although it is more costly, so it's better to go for the maximum one, which will get more value to you, right? So do get it. I'll provide you a link of all these three if I can in the description box. So mostly you can find this on Amazon. I have seen it, though I have purchased it from local shop because I wanted it in urgent basis. But if you have time, you can get it from Amazon. Okay. So for my next purchase, I'll obviously go to order it from Amazon. So these are the three different kind of temper pans which we have shown you today, and I'm putting it in an order from the best one is this. So this is the best one. This is the middle one, which is the medium, and this is not that great. Okay, it's okay. Maybe for few hours, just for some time going out, you can put it. So these are the three ones. These are the cheaper one because it's only 9 rupees. Sorry, this is only 9 rupees per piece, right? This is better than this one. So Happy Skin Pants gets the lowest rating. Then Premium Care Pants gets a better rating than Happy Skin Pants. And this 5-star Comfort Pants Love Pampers are the best. So it really gets a 5-star rating. So this video is till this much only. This is to help you to take a call, take a decision on pamper and whichever you are going to go for a baby. Because we also was not having enough idea, so we purchased couple of pants, then we used it, then we understood. So from our experience, we can say this one is the best one, right? So do go for this pant. I'll try to give a link from where to purchase in the description box. Stay tuned with us. We are going to put more videos on various topics. Now we have started our parenting and pregnancy vlog. So stay tuned with us, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on the like button. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel and please click on the bell icon also for upcoming notifications for our upcoming videos. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.